Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi Note 13 Pro, and let me share with you how to turn on the option to automatically update the system. So let's start with opening the settings and enter About Phone at the top of the list. Now let's keep tapping on the MIUI version, and we've got this information. If you want to learn more about the developer options, simply check our tutorial about it. So now we can go back and scroll to find additional settings. Let's scroll and find developer options. And here we have to scroll down just a little bit to find this automatic system updates. You can turn this option on just by tapping on this switcher, and from now on, since this option is active, your device is allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted. So you do not really have to remember about updating your device, but remember about restarting it from time to time, so it will have a chance to apply the updates. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.